Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents half a cup of this remedy every morning will treat anxiety, depression, bone pain and diabetes. Today I am going to show you how to use a simple and common ingredient to keep your body safe from infections and look younger than ever. The ingredient in question is magnesium chloride. It is capable of regulating your blood pressure and keeping your cardiovascular system in check, while also preventing infections, bone pain and stress. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for our health, so keeping its levels in check is of vital importance for our health. Magnesium is important for our blood vessels. It can prevent calcification and keep them flexible, effectively preventing heart attack. The mineral can also eliminate the excess uric acid in your joints, relieves stress, improve the function of your kidneys, keep your glands healthy and active, purify your blood and preserve your youthful appearance. Magnesium is among the most important minerals in the body, especially for people over 40 who aren't absorbing nutrients as good as before. Consuming magnesium chloride on a daily basis can do wonders for your health. Lack of magnesium is a serious problem which can lead to anxiety, depression, diabetes, brittle bones, and a host of other problems, so getting more of this vital mineral in your diet should be a priority. Magnesium chloride can be found for cheap at any health store. Start taking it today and you'll feel much better pretty soon. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.